I'm Olivia Wagstaff. We're at Samuel Leeds Academy BRR thing, intensive course today. Really good, really informative. I'm totally new to this. I'm really loving it. Like I feel like I've come out over the last few days, and I know so much more than I did. So yeah.
Tell me about the people here. Tell me about the mentors and Samuel. What's it been like being around these people?
Inspiring. It's really good. Really uplifting. They're all here to help you, which is really nice, especially when you're so new and you're almost scared to ask. So it's really great.
Amazing. What's it like seeing deals being made in the room? Like, have you seen anyone make online deals?
Yeah, so friend over there, she's just bought a deal and it's mad. It's like, wow, it's actually really real. Makes it a lot more real. So yeah, it's great. Really inspiring.
So anyone who was thinking about getting into property, do you think this is a good place to be?
Yeah, I'm totally new, so I knew nothing, and yeah, I'm so much more confident in it now. I've just bought my own first house, so yeah, you're in the right place, in the right hands, definitely.